नहीं, बहुत अच्छा अनुभव रहा है, बहुत अच्छा। बहुत सुना था फ्रेंचाइज के बारे में। ऑब्वियसली होम टीम है तो वो आपका एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर रहता ही है हर बार। और बहुत साल मैं गुजरात के लिए खेल रहा हूँ तो पहले से एक ऐसा एस्पिरेशन था कि गुजरात टाइटंस के लिए कोचिंग का अगर मौका मिले तो वो मौका मिला है। लेकिन जिस तरह का सेटअप किया है यहाँ पर गुजरात टाइटंस ने, आशीष नेहरा ने, विक्रम सोलंकी ने मिल के, और कैप्टन ने भी, तो आई थिंक वो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। होपफुली वी हैवंट स्टार्टेड वेल बट देयर इज लॉन्ग वे टू गो। सी, आई थिंक वी आर वेल प्रिपेयर्ड. I thought we had a good couple of camps in Surat and then in Ahmedabad. So, as you rightly said, this is just a first game of the tournament. We were very close. We were just 1 over away from the result which we were hoping for. But that's part of the game. There isn't a single team in the history of IPL who has won all 14 games. But we're quite happy the way we have started, and hopefully we would get some points on the way. I think obviously बहुत सारा experience है साथ में, especially इस ground पे खेलने का, conditions को समझने का. I think वहाँ पे वो inputs बहुत सारे होते हैं, और बहुत सारी मैचेस में ब्रॉडकास्टिंग भी किया है तो एक अलग तरीके का पहलू आता है जब आउटसाइड व्यू लेके आते हैं। और बाकी जो यंग प्लेयर्स है, विकेट कीपर्स बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे, यंग कीपर्स है, उनके साथ मैं काफ़ी काम कर रहा हूँ, तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको सीखने को भी मिलती है यंग प्लेयर्स के साथ रह के। जब आप नई चीज़ें देखते हैं, नई जनरेशन क्या सोच रही है, वो उसके ऊपर भी आप अपने लिए भी कुछ सीख सकते हैं। तो बहुत सारा अच्छा अनुभव रहा है अभी तक। नहीं, ज़्यादा वैसा कुछ है नहीं, खाली एक छोटा सा टारगेट है, ट्रॉफी जीतनी, बस उससे बड़ा कोई टारगेट नहीं है हमारा। बट आई थिंक obviously the rules and all of that are there. I mean, it's there for every team. You just have to make sure that you play good standard of cricket. You play according to how you want to play, and that's something which we will be focusing on. We will be focusing on our brand of cricket, and that's what we did in first game. I think it's a big responsibility as a wicketkeeper, having done that for so many years. I understand that in training times there, if you don't have a specialist coach, there are chances where your wicket-keeping drills could get neglected. That has happened in the past. But if you have a wicket-keeping specialist coach, then you get your separate time, you get your preparation time. So I think it won't be a bad idea for any team to start looking at wicket-keeping specialist coaches. We already have. If you look at the scouting system, is quite strong here. I mean, one of the biggest plus which we could see is Sai Sudarshan. First year we got it more of base price. Here also there is Anuj Rawat, there is Kumar Kushagra. There are quite a few young players who've been there and there around. But yeah, we obviously have different kind of philosophy. But yeah, scouting is something a very integral part of Gujarat Titans. I mean, it doesn't change. He's obviously a proven player at any level, so to speak, and he's a proven leader as well. So there's no pressure on him. It's just good to see the way he's handling, good to see the way he's spending time with all the players, and he's working on his game also. I mean, when you talk about preparation, I think he's an ideal role model for a lot of them in the dressing room.
Yes, that's a shot.
क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर,
Lovely shot.
हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर।